In this video, I'm going to continue on and I will show you how to configure group policy within the server. So what we're going to want to do is go into the Active Directory users and computers. And we're going to want to go into we're going to want to go into our server. And we'll right click the server and click new, go into new and organizational unit. We can name this anything that we want. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'll just name it all unit for now. And from here we're going to want to create two more organizational units. So we'll do go into new organizational unit and we'll name this one PCs, and we'll create another one called sorry right, we'll call these employees. Oh, in the employees unit, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new user. We can call this one, I don't know, Jeremy Singh. Click next, and the password. So I have to click this one out, right? So click next, and finish. Right, so now we have our user there. And now that we have created our new user, we can go ahead and look for the administrative tools. So I'll go ahead and search for it here. This should be it, right? And we're going to want to go to Group Policy Management. So I'll double click that. And right, we can see the forest. So we're going to want to expand this, go into our, let's see, domains, our site, group policy objects. And we're going to want to go into, let's see, default domain controllers policy. So right click that and edit it. And let's start with a user configuration. So we go into here, we're going to policies and let's see, what do you want? Let's see, policies. Right, okay. So administrative templates. And let's go into something simple to demonstrate. So let's try desktop. Okay, desktop wallpaper, which is not configured. So let's double click that. Right, so you'll see the information that it gives. Right, so this setting is to force a particular desktop wallpaper to be applied to the user's account. So it's not exactly what I want to prohibit. And we can go into all settings. Right. Let's see. Prevent changing desktop background. Right, this is what I want. So go ahead and enable this, and then click apply and OK. Now I have my other um uh virtual machine open. This will be for the user that I had created. Let's see if I'll be able to change the wallpaper here. So a quick way is to right click and go into personalize. But you see, in any case, you can't activate, you need to activate Windows before I do that. Okay, let's try something else then. Let's try going into system and prevent access to the command prompt. This is another practical one. Go ahead and click apply and then OK. Then we'll switch over to the client. Let's see if we can run the command prompt. Alright, we can. It may be due to the fact that it only just applied and we're already signed in. So let's try restarting the computer. Okay, I found the issue. Um, funnily enough, I was applying the policy to um the wrong set of users. So it's supposed to go into default domain policy, not default domain controllers policy. Um, so I'm probably gonna want to check something. Okay. Alright, I'll go ahead and edit this. Go into user config, policies, admin templates. Let's see, control panel, and prohibit access to it. So we'll enable that and apply it. Let's check if that made a difference. Right, not quite. Let me restart this in the meantime. Let's see. In the meantime, let's see if there's anything else that we may want to disable. Control panel. Right, okay. There's the control panel, desktop. Alright, system. Prevent access to the command prompt. So we'll enable that. Apply, okay. Let's switch over to our user. Log into it. Let's see if we can access the control panel. Nope, we are not able to. And let's do the same for the command prompt. And nope, it has been disabled as well. So apologies for the bit of a runaround there. but I'll reiterate that one more time just in case. So um, when you're doing it for users, you go into default domain policy. This is for standard users. The default domain controllers policy would be for the in this case it will be the server that we are currently using, and you will use this for whatever server or um whichever computers are part of the domain controller. Because as you can see with the previous settings that I had input, they would be applied to the server. So let me go into command prompt and you can see that it's been disabled here. So um, do be mindful of where you are applying the policies.